So when you heard the Mastercard news, Tom, did you think that that would be a major catalyst, or did you think that it was really the technicals that started, acting?
Well, over the weekend, there were quite a lot of folks who were talking about TA and the potential formation of either an inverse head and shoulders or a Wyckoff, buy-off. So it sounds like the technicals were really starting to become more favorable. I think something like the Mastercard news is positive because it's really validating the idea that digital money or blockchain-based money is a valid form of transactions. And even if it's not recognized in the U.S., we know that in Japan they've really taken a much more positive view on digital money or blockchain-based money being real transactions. So yes, it's good news.
So when you outlined those times when Bitcoin was trading 30% below the 200-day moving average, what was the average move higher to the next sort of plateau?
Well, one thing that we outlined in our note on that is if you looked at your probability of making money 6 months out, it was close to 100%. So in other words, if you could ever buy Bitcoin 30% below its 200-day moving average, you almost always saw good risk reward being long.
At what point, though? How long did you have to wait into that trade? Because if I look back on the Bitcoin chart, in the early part of this ascension, you could have sat underwater there for what seems like a fair amount of time.
Yeah. So what I'm saying is 6 months. So if you said buy it and sell it 6 months later, your probability of making money was over 90%.
Within 6 months. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tom, do you think there's a lot of money out there that would rather buy Bitcoin at 7,500 than 6,000, just feeling like, the bottom's been tested, more money's flowing?
Yeah. I guess the term people use is reflexivity. There's a lot of reflexivity in crypto, meaning there's a lot more enthusiasm when Bitcoin's trend is higher. And so I think there's a lot more buyers at 20,000 than there are at 6,000, and there's probably more at 7,500, but there'll be more at 10,000.
Does the same hold true when Bitcoin's 30% above the 200-day moving? Does that become a sell signal, not unlike what you're seeing on the buy side?
Yeah. So, Guy, one of the sort of offshoots of that is actually the Bitcoin Misery Index, and it turns out whenever that hits 67, that has marked Bitcoin's essential top, and so that we hit 67 in December. So.